Relative clauses 3. Rewriting sentences with defining relative clauses. 我哋之前嗰兩堂呢講咗 relative pronouns 同埋咧 defining relative clause。今堂呢主打就係去寫一啲有 defining relative clause 嘅句子啦。試下將呢句翻譯做英文。你睇下嗰個同 Miss Mac 講緊嘢嗰個學生，你嘅答案會唔會係 Look at that with Miss Mac talking students 直譯咁樣呢？如果係咁咯，我要話俾你聽係大錯特錯嘅。正確嘅寫法係 Look at the student who is talking to Miss Mac。你會見到嗰個同 Miss Mac 講緊嘢嘅呢一部分係形容學生嘅附加資料呢一部分呢，就同 relative clause who is talking to Miss Mac 係相對應㗎。不過英文呢就會將 the student 擺咗喺先，然之後先寫一個 relative clause。Look at the student who is talking to Miss Mac。但係中文呢就係你睇下嗰個同 Miss Mac 講緊嘢嘅學生，學生呢係擺喺最尾㗎。好啦，由於之前你已經學咗 defining relative clause， 咁我呢度呢就唔再重複啦。如果你唔明發生咩事呢，你就應該溫翻之前嘅課題，關於 relative pronouns。What is a relative clause？ 同埋呢 identify a relative clause in a sentence。我哋呢段影片呢係專注翻呢學寫一啲有 relative clause 嘅句子。Rewrite the following sentences with who or which. Number 1. He is the man. He painted my house. So, he painted my house. This part gives you more information about the man. So, you have to rewrite the sentence by putting this part behind the man. And then, because it is a human being, you change it to who. He is the man who painted my house. 佢就係嗰個油我間屋嗰個男人啦。Number 2. What happens to the money? It was on my desk. So, it was on my desk. It gives you more information about money. So, you will put this part behind money. And then you change it to which. Then the sentence will become What happens to the money which was on my desk? Okay, question mark. 嗰啲喺我台上面嗰啲錢呢，發生咗咩事啊？ Number 3. The restaurant is in 天水圍. We went to eat. Okay, this part, we went to eat. Actually, we are giving more information about the restaurant. So, I will put this part behind the restaurant. And then I will add the word which. And then at the same time, I will delete it. Okay? See, this time it is here rather than at the beginning. Still, I need to delete it after adding which. So, the sentence becomes The restaurant which we went to is in 天水圍. See? We put this part after the restaurant. 嗰間我哋去過嗰間餐廳呢，係喺天水圍嘅。Okay, let's move on. The car was stolen last night. My father bought it yesterday. This sentence actually gives more information about the car. So I will put this part after the car, and because car is not a human being, I will add the word which. At the same time, I need to delete the car in this sentence, that is it. So the sentence becomes, the car which my father bought yesterday was stolen last night. 嗰架我爸爸琴日先買嘅車呢，琴晚就俾人偷咗啦。Next, the woman has a lot of friends. She is talking to Miss Mac. So, this part tells you more about the woman. So I put this part behind the woman, and then I have to add who, because the woman is human being. At the same time, I have to delete the woman in the sentence like this. Then the sentence becomes, the woman who is talking to Miss Mac has a lot of friends. 嗰個呢，同阿 Miss Mac 傾緊偈個女人啊，有好多朋友㗎。So let's look at the next sentence. The woman has a lot of friends. Miss Mac is talking to her. Now pay attention, these two sentences are very similar. But the difference is, in sentence number 2, she is the subject, while in sentence number 3, the woman, that is her, is the object. Okay, pay attention to this. Okay, now let's move on. So, Miss Mac is talking to her. I'm giving you more information about the woman. So, I put this part behind the woman. Again, I add the word relative pronoun who, because the woman is a person. And then at the same time, I delete the woman from the later part of the sentence. So the sentence becomes, the woman who Miss Mac is talking to has a lot of friends. 嗰個呢 Miss Mac 同佢講緊嘢嗰個女人啊，有好多朋友㗎。So you see, in sentence number 2, the Chinese meaning is 嗰個呢同 Miss Mac 講緊嘢嗰個女人有好多朋友。While in sentence number 3, the Chinese meaning is 嗰個 Miss Mac 同佢講緊嘢嗰個女人呢係有好多朋友。嗱 actually they mean very similar, but just pay attention. She is in the active position in sentence number 2, while the woman, that is her, is in the passive, in the object position. 嚟到呢一度呢，我估大家已經掌握到呢用 relative clause 去俾多啲資訊呢一個名詞，同埋用佢呢愛嚟寫句子嘅。好，咁如果係咁呢，咁你哋就重做翻呢一張工作紙，睇下呢自己係咪真係識啦。咁記住喎，要對翻答案喎。係咁啦，拜拜。